Okay, here they are, guys. Our top 8 from our final jumper chase here at the Northern Winter Classic Horse Shows. And when I say final class, what I mean is we have held the $1,000 jumper chase every week for the 4 weeks of the Northern Winter Classics. Our riders have not only been riding for the $1,000 purse and the $250 to the winning trainer, but to try to get points, even if you didn't get in the top 8, you're pointed all the way down to 12th place. Qualified for the Jumper Chase Finale. That will be held after all of the Winter Classics, the Marietta Classics, and Pebble Beach. Get all those points and invite the top 12 horse rider combinations to join us. And this morning we have finished this class and decided our top 8. We want to thank you all and congratulate you. And I'd also like to take just one moment and thank Teresa Amaro down in the ring. Teresa, no stranger to the winner's circle herself, jumper rider par excellence for many years, and now a great supporter of the horse shows. She has helped all 4 weeks of the show to hand out awards to everybody, congratulate them, put them in order, do it on her time, and Teresa, on behalf of Horse Show Management, a very large thank you. Just a really good-hearted person that's a joy to have around the horse show, and we thank you. She's putting that championship sash this morning on number 585. That's Kelly's Girl. Natalie Myers of Petaluma, owner-rider. This young lady rides and trains with Chelsea Jones and Dusty Blackwood. And the trainer getting a bonus as well. And Kelly's Girl, a winner of many classes here at the Northern Winter Classic event. And taking our championship this morning in the $1,000 jumper chase. Our reserve champion, number 376. Congratulations to Kazan. From Reno, Nevada, that's Isabella Pitts. She's the owner and the rider and a real speed demon. And she came in 7th place this morning, and she rides with